Now to see it developed, there's so many great places you can go to, restaurants and such. But I think still my favorite thing in Aurora is the natural beauty. I like the waterfalls.
Day travelers and Happy New Year. So kung nakikita nyo to malamang 2025 na. And as you can see, napakaganda ng weather ngayon kaya sasamantalahin natin habang maganda ang panahon. So in a few, may mga i-ask tayong locals and visitors alike kung ano yung mga places here in Aurora na marirecommend nila. So it's one of the uh, most exciting part for me na agenda for today kasi at least makikita nyo na hindi lang Baler yung attraction dito sa Aurora Province. Actually guys, napakaraming pwedeng gawin dito. Because surfing, para sa mga surfers yun. Paano naman yung mga families na gusto lang mag-picnic or mga couple na gustong mag-honeymoon or mag-date. Ang dami ritong pwedeng gawin guys. Even for sporty people like mga bikers, mga cyclists, mga hikers alike. Kasi tayo guys, back in 2019, nakapag-hike naman tayo dito sa Aurora. So sayang nga, hindi pa tayo nagko-content nun eh. Pero later, we'll hear about the recommendations. So sige, stay put lang kayo dyan.
So, pag pupunta kayo ng Baler, huwag nyo kalilimutan na puntahan ang Divisit. Actually, nire-recommend ko ang Divisit kasi ang ganda ng Divisit, kompleto, nandun yung mayroon siyang parang mga pool sa dagat, mayroon ding waterfalls katabi ng dagat, pwede kang mag-swimming doon. So sa dagat, pwede kang mag-snorkel. Kung trip mo na mag-fishing, pwede ka rin mag-fishing doon. So diving, okay rin. So go, tara po sa Baler.
So yun, Koila, Happy New Year guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Divisit Beach in Baler, Aurora. So as you can see, meron tayong dito mga rock formations na sobrang ganda. Yung isipin mo itong mga rock formations na to, merong sculpture or merong artist na gumawa sa kanila. Kasi yun guys, oh, diba? Hindi nabibigyan ng justice yung ganda ng mga rock formations dito, ng video. I wish you can see it live. So up there, ito yung kalsada saan tayo galing kanina. Ang dami pa ring tao. So yun, after natin kunin yung mga rock formations, as you can see, medyo hindi naman siya white sand, but ito, sige, sand check tayo. Tingnan natin kung pino. So from Baler, it took us about 20 minutes drive coming here. So hindi naman siya sobrang layo, hindi rin siya masyadong matraffic. So yun. So guys, another trivia. What's amazing in this place is, tignan nyo, yung beach nasa kabila, then kalsada. And then on the other side, pakita ko sa inyo. And on the other side, merong waterfall. Or waterfalls. So right now, dito tayo sa Baler Fish Port in Baler, Aurora. So
I live in Aurora. I've been here for 20 plus years, and I've seen the area change dramatically during that time. It was just farmers and fishermen when we arrived here. Now to see it developed, there's so many great places you can go to, restaurants and such. But I think still my favorite thing in Aurora is the natural beauty. I like the waterfalls. El Pimentel is where I would take all my visitors historically. But recently went to Balawan Falls for the third time, and I think that's probably, if I were to choose one place to see in Aurora, that's where I would go. It's not just Balawan Falls, but the entire trip north, the beaches along the way.
hello guys, welcome to Dibutunan in Dipakulaw, Aurora. So konting adventure time tayo ngayon. From 1 to 10, mga nasa 5.5 siguro yung level of extremeness na dadaanan natin. Kasi medyo mataas dahil mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung trail. Medyo mabato, tabing dagat. Ang tawag nga pala sa pupuntahan natin ay Twin Caves. So I remember, if I'm not mistaken, back in 2014 or 2013, we went here with our friends from Maria Aurora. So let's go to a hidden location in Aurora. So wala masyadong tao dito. So nakikita nyo, ayun, dun siya. So nakikita nyo ngayon, ito yung place or ito yung dadaanan natin. Ito yung dadaanan natin papunta doon sa rock formation. So nakikita nyo, medyo secluded siya. Even on a Saturday, wala masyadong tao. So sige, mamaya na muna yung story time. Lakad na muna tayo. So, pag naglalakad kayo dito, make sure that you check your surroundings kasi according to some people, may mga ahas daw dito na nagbe-blend sa mga rocks. So you have to be very careful. And it also shows na healthy yung ecosystem dito sa Aurora. So travelers, anong na-achieve natin today? So again, ang mga learnings natin na every step is very important. Okay? So hindi man tayo maka-cliff jump ngayon. Since this morning, naka-achieve tayo ng 5,000 calories. We're not gonna be talking about calories today, but would I recommend this place to a lot of you? Yes, maybe most of you, but I will not recommend this place to senior citizens, to PWDs, and you have to assess yourself first. Like, alam mo dapat yung base ng health mo. Alam mo kung ano yung kaya mo sa hindi. Kasi even if you can, even if mataas ang stamina mo, you have to be very careful. Kailangan extra careful tayo kasi yung trail dito, hindi joke, madulas. It's also very steep. Pero guys, okay, aside from the dangers ng trail, even wild animals like snakes, papakita ko sa inyo yung view. In 3, 2, 1. Ganda rito guys. Sobra. Sa tingin ko worth naman yung pagod natin. And again, after Pepito, medyo bumabalik na sa pagiging green. Or green pa din yung mga bundok natin dito sa Aurora. This place is one of the places that's been hit by Typhoon Pepito a month ago or more than a month ago. So it's amazing to see that the greens are already back.
Ang tagal ko na dito sa Aurora and marami na rin akong napuntahan ng mga tourist spot. Pero number one na may recommend ko sa inyo kung bibisita kayo dito sa Aurora is yung sikat na Tibo Tidal Pool na matatagpuan sa Dalugan, Sitio Dalugan, Kasiguran, Aurora. Ayan, so napakaganda nung place. Sobrang nakaka-amaze. Makikita mo doon yung creation ni God talaga na sobrang ganda. Yung beach doon is white sand, and pag nasa lugar ka na yon, sobra kang marerelax, ano? Para kang nasa Moana, alam mo yon, yung movie na Moana. I'm sorry pa. Malayo yung mga waves, tapos doon sa gilid ng dagat talaga sobrang clear ng tubig at napakagandang mag-swimming.
So ako naman is marirecommend ko ay ang Diteke Bridge. Kung gusto mo na mag-relax lang at i-enjoy yung nature, andun yung ilog, sobrang linaw, yung lagaslas ng tubig, tapos yung bundok, sobrang green na green, at yung mga kubo, sobrang lamig, refreshing, ayun. So nire-recommend ko yung Diteke.
I personally recommend Kaunayan Falls dahil sobrang linaw niya and very refreshing. And the main reason ba't nire-recommend ko siya is nag-enjoy yung anak ko doon. Kaya, let's go to Kaunayan Falls.
So to get here sa Aurora Province, ilalagay ko sa screen yung mga information about bus schedule and yung other means of transportation from Manila papunta rito sa Aurora Province.